Well, good morning, everyone. It's about maybe 10:20 right now in the morning, Sunday morning, and this is the aftermath of what happened last night. As you can see, it's no longer snowing, or it's just lightly snowing, but this is pretty much what happened. Look at that little XB over there. Look, this is covered in snow. You can see that all the cars here, they're practically just covered. Look at that one. These bushes here, that's my next door neighbor. Here's our little bush. The snow's slowly starting to melt, so I don't know if you can hear the drops. But that's it. Alrighty, see you guys later. Right outside my doorway. My feet. Alrighty. Aloha.